Hello dear students, welcome to live class that is for key answers for today's state level preparatory examination. The question paper is a standard question paper. Questions are very standard and also you can expect same kind of similar pattern for your examination. All the difficulty level, application level has been maintained and also easy level. So it is a standard question paper. So do try to analyze this question paper. So we'll start with key answers. First question, the degree of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus x cube plus 2x plus 1. So the highest power is 3. Therefore the degree is 3. Therefore the answer is option B. So if 2 comma x comma 12 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is. So x is nothing but just add the first and the third term and divide by 2, that is 14 by 2, you get 7. Therefore the answer is 7, option A. In the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, if the condition is given a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, what does it mean? It means they are parallel lines. The formula to find the volume of a sphere of radius r units, that is option B, V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. Dear students, do join the WhatsApp channel. I'll be posting based on this model paper and preparatory papers. I'll be posting similar questions for your examination which will be helpful. So do join the WhatsApp channel and also do subscribe the channel. So the fifth question, the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Therefore its answer is option D. The value of discriminant of the quadratic equation, so that is delta equals b square minus 4ac. So what is b? B is 4 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4. What you get? 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. Therefore the discriminant is option A, 0. Next question. In the figure, PQ is a tangent to the circle with center O. If BAQ is 55 degree, then the value of BOA. Here, see the radius at the point of contact to the tangent is perpendicular. Therefore, so the whole angle is 90 degree. 90 minus 55, we get angle A, that is OAB. OAB equals what? Angle OAB is 90 minus 55, that is 45. Therefore, so OBA also will be 45. Now, the sum of angles in a triangle will be 180. 180 minus 45 plus 45, that is 90, we get 90. Therefore, the angle BOA is option A, 90 degree. Dear students, next question. The distance between the points A, P of A comma B from the origin 0 comma 0 is, it is option D, D equals square root of x square minus y square. Instead of x and y, we have A and B. Therefore, it is A square plus B square. Next, define secant of a circle. What is secant of a circle? It's a straight line. It's a straight line which touches the circle at two distinct points. What about Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects the other two sides and divides in equal proportion. Now, 11th question. In the given figure, PQ and PR are the tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle with center O. If QOP is what? QOP is 65 degree. Then what about? We should find out RPQ. RPQ is question mark. Here it is 90 degree here. Again the same property is used. Radius drawn at the point of contact to the tangent is perpendicular. Now QOP plus QOP plus RPQ equals what? 180 degree. Now what is QOP? It is 65 plus 65, that is 130. So 180 minus 130, we will get RPQ, that is 50 degree. Therefore the answer is 50 degree. Write the formula to find out. Write the formula to find the total surface area. This is cone. The TS of cone is pi r into r plus L. Okay, pi r into r plus L. Next question, write the median class for the following cumulative frequency distribution table. So to find out the median class, divide n, they are given, divide by 2, what you get is 10. So 10 is the nearest to what? This class. Therefore that is 20 to 30. Therefore the median class is this one, 20 to 30. Next question, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is an equals 5n minus 2, what is a2? Replace n by 2, so therefore a2 equals 5 into 2 minus 2. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. Therefore second term is 8. Next, the area of sector of a circle with radius 7 centimeter is 22 centimeter square. Find the area of the remaining part. So we need to find out the area of circle first. Area of circle minus this area which gives the remaining part. So find out the area. Pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Radius they are given. What you get? 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Now 154 minus 22, what we get? We get 132 centimeter square. The remaining part of the circle is 122 square centimeter. If next question, 16th question, if a fair coin is tossed once, then write the number of possible outcomes. If it is tossed once, you get the possibilities head or tail. Therefore all the possible outcomes will be head or tail. Next 2 mark question, prove that 5 plus root 3 is irrational number. What you should do? Assume 5 plus root 3 as rational number. This I've already solved this question in the previous video. You can check it out. Assume 5 plus root 3 as rational number, which is of the form p by q. So 5 plus root 3. I'll not write in detailed step. So root 3 equals p by q minus 5. Root 3 equals p minus 5q by q. So this shows that root 3 is rational because p minus 5q by q is rational. But we know that root 3 is a irrational. Therefore our assumption 5 plus root 3 as rational number is wrong. Therefore 5 plus root 3 is a irrational number where p, q belongs to z and q is not equal to 0. Next question. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Very simple. 2 equation 2x plus y equals 14 and x minus y equals 4. X and x will cancel. What you get? 3x equals 18. X equals what? 18 by 3. We get 6. Now what is the value of x? So 6 minus y equals 4. Y equals 6 minus 4. Y equals what? 2. Next, find the polynomial p of x represented in the given graph. See, they have given the graph. The graph is intersecting at -1 and 4. So that means alpha equals -1, beta equals 4. So what is standard form of quadratic number of zeros is 2. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. So the standard form is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. X square minus, what is alpha is -1, beta is 4 plus -1 into 4. X square minus -1 plus minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Therefore, minus 3x plus into minus minus 4 ones are 4 minus 4. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is minus 1 plus 4, you get 3. Alpha into beta is minus 4. So this, if you substitute, you'll get the required quadratic polynomial. Next question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So that is by, you can do it by factorization method. That is, the equation is multiply first and last term, what you get? Minus 12x square. So if you multiply, you should get minus 12x square. If you add, you should get plus x. That is, the number will be plus 4x minus 3x. 4 3s are 12, plus into minus minus, 4 minus 3 is plus x. So split the middle term as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. What is common here? 2x is common, what you get? X plus 2. The same with minus 3 is common, what you get is x plus 2 equals 0. X plus 2, x plus 2 is common. Remaining term is 2x minus 3 equals to 0. X equals minus 2, x equals 3 by 2. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. Next question, 21st question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 using formula. See, what is the AP? AP is 3, 7, 11. A equals 3. D equals 4. We need to find the sum of 20 terms. N equals 20. So what is the formula? Sn equals n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What you get? 10 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 is 20 minus 1 into d is 4. Yes, 20 equals 10 by 2 is 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10. 2 3s are 6 plus 19 into 4. 10 into 6 plus, what is 19 into 4? So 19 into 4 is 76. 76 plus 6 equals 82. So 10 into 82, we get sum of 20 terms equals 820. So next question, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So the digits which are divisible by 7, that is 3 digit. The first digit is what? 105. So first 3-digit number is 100, which is not divisible. Then 101, 102, 103, 104, which is not divisible by 7. The first 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. Then keep on adding plus 7. What you get? Next number will be 1112. Next 119, and so on. What will be the last number? What is the last 3-digit number? It is 999, which is not divisible. Then the next previous number of 998, that is also not divisible. 997, 996, 995, which is not divisible. But last 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be 994. Now what is A? A equals 105. D equals 7. What is the last term? Last term is 994. Use AN formula. AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. 994 equals 105 plus n as it is. We need to find a D is what, sir? 994 minus 105 equals n minus 1 into 7. So what you get? 994 minus 105 equals 889 divided by 7 equals n minus 1. So n minus 1 equals divided by 7, you get 127. So just add this 127 plus 1, we get n equals 128. So the number of 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7 is 128. Next question. The given figure ABC equals 9, find the value of cos alpha. What is cos alpha here? What is cos? Cos ratio or adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? Adjacent is 12. With respect to alpha, adjacent is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. What is cot alpha? Adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? Again it is 12. Opposite is 5. It is 12 by 5. This is, students, see all these 2 mark question I have posted in my video last 2 mark questions videos. Try to watch those complete videos. Prepare well for the board examination. Next question. Find the distance between the points 3, 1, 9, 6, 4 using distance formula. So the points are, what are the points? 3, 1 and 6, 4. What is 3, 1? Sorry, it is x1, y1. It is x2, y2. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. D equals, what is x2? 6 minus 3 whole square. That is x2 minus 6 minus 3. Next, 4 minus 1 whole square. D equals square root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 3 square. D equals 2. That is what you get. 9 plus 9 is 18. That is 2 into 9. D equals what? Square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 2 units. The distance between 2 points is 3 root 2 units. Next question, 24th question. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that ball drawn is not red. So, what is n of s? First find out n of s. For 24th question, n of s total number of balls is 8 balls. So, what is the probability that it is drawn red? Let A be the event. That how many red balls are there? We have 3 red balls. So probability of drawing the red balls will be 3 by 8. What is the probability that it is not red? So it is a complement event. P of not E equals 1 minus 3 by 8. What you get? It is 5 by 8. The probability that the ball drawn is not red will be 5 by 8. Next question. So it's a textbook based question. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Find the probability that pen taken out is a good one. So what is the total outcome? Total number of pens is 12 defective ones plus good ones. That is 132. What you get? You get 144. What is the probability that the pen taken is a good one? So it will be, let A be the event that the pen drawn is a good one. So it will be 132 by 144. So very simple question. For 2 marks, do try to learn all these questions for the board exam. So next 3 mark questions, 9 questions will be there. Find the LCM and HCF of integers 5, 10 and 92 by prime factorization method, and verify that LCM into HCF equals product of two numbers. So the prime factors of 5, 10 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and 92 is 2 square into 23. HCF is 2 and LCM is 23,460. Now for verification, HCF into LCM equals what? A into B, that is HCF is 2 into 23,460 equals 510 into 92, we get 46,922, and 46,922 will get both the LHS and RHS will be equals. Hence we can say that it is verified. Next, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x equals 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So dear students, p of x equals 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. Multiply first and last term, you will get minus 18x squared. The middle splitting of middle term will be minus 9x plus 2x. After simplification, we get alpha as 3 by 2 and beta as minus 1 by 3. Sum of roots alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is minus 1 by 3. Taking LCM, we get 7 by 6, and minus into minus plus 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 equals 7 by 6. Hence it's verified. Sum of zeros. Product of zeros, alpha into beta equals c by a. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is minus 1 by 3. C by a, c value is from the polynomial, it is 3. Minus 3 divided by a, that is 6. 3 ones are 3 and 3 will cancel out, we get minus 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 2 we get 1 by 2. So very simple question for 3 marks. Next question. In a school, it was decided to distribute 1,500 equally among students who get A grade in the 10th examination, 10th standard annual examination. Hopefully you all get 80 on 80 like this question. In a school, it was decided to distribute 1,500 equally among the students who get A plus grade in the 10th standard annual examination. After the result, 5 more students got A plus than the expected students of A plus grade before examination. As a result, amount received by each student was reduced by 25. So find the number of students who get A plus after the result. So it's a statement problem based on quadratic equation. Let the number of students be x. Amount received by each student will be 1,500 divided by x, number of students. If 5 more added to the x, that is if 5 more students added to x, so it will be 1,500 divided by x plus 5. Now, so after if it is added, how much the amount received will be reduced by 25. Therefore 1,500 by x minus 1,500 by x plus 5 equals 25. 1,500, taking common factor 1,500, we get after cross multiplication x and x will cancel out. Then the denominator x into x plus y equals 25. 1,500 into 5 divided by x into x square, 5 into x 5x equals 25. Simplification, we get the quadratic equation. X square plus 5x minus 300 equals to 0. The factors will be 20 and 15 for 300. So by using factorization method, we get x equals 15 and x equals minus 20. Minus 20 negative number should be ignored. So x equals 15. Therefore number of students, it was before the result it was 15. After in the question they were asked after the result, so it will be x plus 15. Therefore 15 plus 5 equals 20 students. So number of students will be 20. Next question, very simple question. Verify whether the following situation is possible or not by finding the discriminant of the quadratic equation for the below situation. The sum of ages of two friends is 20. Let the 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48. If so, determine the present age. Dear students, let the present ages be x and 20 minus x. 4 years ago, their ages was x minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4. We get 16 minus 6. Their product is what? 48. So after simplification, we get a quadratic equation x square minus 20x plus 112 equals to 0. A equals 1, b equals minus 20, c equals 112. By finding the discriminant b square minus 4ac simplification, we get minus 48. Since delta is less than 0, the above situation is not possible. Very simple question for 3 mark. Next question. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to what? BC. If AD equals 8 cm, DB equals 12 cm and AE equals 6 cm, then find the length of EC and also the ratio D is to BC. So by using the BPT theorem, AD by DB equals AE by EC. So 8 by 12 equals 6 by X. So X equals, cross multiply X equals, we get 9 cm. That is EC is what? 9 cm. So we need to find out the ratio DE is to BC. How to find out the ratio DE is to BC will be equal to what? The ratio AD is to AB. Based on similarity criteria of triangles. So AD is to AB equals what? AD is what? 8. AB is 8 plus 12, 20. Therefore, the required ratio is 2 is to 5. Next, we have a question. If AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, find out we need to prove that AB by PQ equals AD by PM. So from the figure, consider triangle ABC and PQR. Triangle ABC and PQR, AD and PM are the medians. They have given in the question triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We need to prove AB by PQ equals AD by PM. So if they are similar, the corresponding sides will be in proportion. AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. It shows that what? Angle A will be equal to angle P. Corresponding angles will be equal. And also we can say that the length BC is equal to 2BD. In the same way, BC equals 2BD, QR equals 2QM. Because it is the median. Substitute, you'll get AB by PQ equals, instead of BC by BC, substitute 2BD. Instead of QR, substitute 2QM. You get 2BD by 2QM equals AC by PQ. 2 and 2 will gain cancel. You get AB by PQ equals BD by QM equals AC by PR. Now consider triangle ABD and PQM. So AB by PQ equals BP by QM because their corresponding angles are equal. It shows that triangle ABD is similar to triangle BPQM because of SAS criteria. So we can say that AB by PQ is equal to what? AD by PM. Very simple question for 3 mark by using the similarity criteria. See here, the A criteria concept is covered and also SAS. See, if you analyze the paper, all the concepts, theorem concepts have been covered in the examination also. Try to solve problems from the triangles. Already I have shared the worksheet which contains questions. Next question, 29th question, repeated question. I have already informed you in yesterday's live revision class, important theorem. The lengths of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. That theorem I have already explained and I posted the video. You can check it out. Next, 30th question. Prove that cos A plus 1 by sin A plus 1 by sin A plus cos A equals 2 secant A. So what you should do, write down the LHS, then take LCM. Cos A into cos A, cos square plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin, 1 plus sin whole square divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus B whole square from A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A, use identity 1, it becomes 1. 1 square is 1 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus 2 sin A. 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Take 2 common factor, you get 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A, cancels out, you get 2 by cos A. 1 by cos A is equal to secant A, which is equal to RHS. Next question. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Substitute cos 60 value is 1 by 2 whole square plus secant 30 is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1 square divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 using identity 1. Simplify. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 2 by root 3 whole square is 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1. Keep as it is, numerator as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1. So 5 3s are, take LCM, 4 3s are 12, 5 by 4 into 12 you get 15, 16 by 3 into 12 you get 64 minus 12 divided by 12. So simplifying we get 67 by 12. So 31st question, calculation of mean and mode for 3 marks. This I'll give you, this I'll not solve because the questions are simple. You can try it out solving mean and median. Question number 32. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A of 1 comma minus 5 and B of minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis, and find the coordinates of point of division. So the given points are A of 1 comma minus 5, take it as x1 y1, B of x2 y2, that is minus 4 comma 5. So because the point is on x-axis, the point on x-axis is of the form x comma 0. So substitute, equate y coordinates, you get the ratio, and simplify, you get the ratio m is to n as what? 1 is to 1. So what I forgot to calculate the coordinates here. They've asked find the coordinates of the point of division. So using the ratio 1 is to 1, you can find out p of x comma y equals, just you can use midpoint formula also. So that is x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. What is x2? It is minus 4 plus 1 by 2 comma minus 5 plus 5 by 2. So you get minus 3 by 2 comma 0. The coordinates are minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Next question, a little bit difficult or tricky question. In the figure, the length of the semicircular arc of a circle with center O is 44 centimeter. If OPQ is 45 degree, find the area of segment PRQ. We need to find out the length of the segment, area of segment PRQ. That means we should find this segment. To find the students have used the trigonometric ratio to find out the area of triangle. First, given semicircular arc is what? 44. That is half into 2 pi r equals 44. Simplifying, we get radius as 14 centimeter. Area of sector OPRQ is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta they are given as 45 degree. 45 by 360 into pi r square, you get 77 centimeters square. Now to find out the area of triangle OPQ, I have used a sine ratio. If I get any idea to solve without using sine ratio, I will be posting, but here I have used half into the radius OP into OQ equals sine 45 degree. So you get area of triangle OPQ as 49√2 centimeter square. So area of segment PQR is 77. Area of sector minus area of triangle, we get area of segment. So 77 minus 49√2, we get 7.71 centimeter square. So hopefully I'll try to post the any alternate answers, simple answers, but as of now I've used the sine ratio to calculate the area of triangle OPQ. Next question, graph question. So graph question, very simple question. I think this question is there in the model paper. Graphical method, x equals 2 and y equals to, if you solve you get x and y as 2. 35th question, A criteria, 4 marks theorem. Next, 36th question is based on what? Surface areas and volumes. Here they have given from a solid cylinder of height 2.8 meters and diameter 4.2 meters, a conical cavity of same height and diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. That means they have given a cylindrical solid, a conical cavity of same height and diameter is hollowed out. Total surface area of the remaining solid will be CSA of cylinder, CSA of the cone, and the base part, that is pi r square, area of circle. So here we need to find out the slant height using the height 2.8 meters and radius 2. They have given the diameter 4.2. If you divide by 2, you will get 2.1. So L equals square root of r square plus h square. So square root of 12.25. Otherwise, you can consider it as 1225. It is 35. Take it as one decimal point. Before a number, one decimal point, you will get the slant height equals 3.5 meters. So TSA, substitute and simplify, you get the TSA of the solid is 73.92 meters square. Next question, arithmetic progression question. First question in arithmetic progression, a fourth term is 11 and seventh term exceeds the fourth term by 4. Write the arithmetic progression and also show the sum of first and 13th term of the progression is equal to 7th term. So fourth term is what? 11, that is a plus 3d equals 11. Seventh term is twice the fourth term plus 4. So you get 2 times a4 plus a4, substitute, you will get a equals minus 4, put a equals minus 4 in equation 1, we get common difference d equals 5, the required AP is minus 4, 1, 5. To show that sum of first and 13th term is equal to twice the 17th term. So take LHS and RHS separately and simplify, you get same answer. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Next, an arithmetic progression consists of 30 terms. An arithmetic progression consists of 30 terms. Sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the last 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Number of terms is 30. A4 plus A8 is 24. A plus 3D plus A plus n equals 24. 2A plus 10D equals 24. 6th and 10th term is 44. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D equals 44. 2A plus 14D equals 44. equation 2 minus 1 you will get, simplifying we get ds5 as minus 13. Last three terms will be 830, 829 and 828. It is easy to calculate if you know the value of the first term and the common difference. The last three terms will be 132, 127 and 122. So for 5 marks, it is from the unit applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. Here you need to find out the height of the pole AB. You can easily calculate by from the triangle ABC. That is, use tan ratio, tan 30 equals AB by BC, 1 by root 2 equals AB by 30. So cross multiplying we get 30 by root 3, rationalizing we get 10 root 3 meters. So to find out the length AD, so this step is not required. You can usually directly use the sine ratio. Sine 45 equals AB by AD. AD equals AB is 10 root 2 divided by sine 45 is 1 by root 2. You get 10 root 6 meters. In the same way, to find out the length of wire AE, use sine 60. Sine 60 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. You get 20 meters. In the same way, to find out length AC, use again the sine or cos ratio. You get 20 root 3 meters. Dear students, see, you have got these are the key answers for state level preparatory examination. Dear students, very importantly, you have got 5 papers as of now. So try to solve all these question papers, learn the concepts. Definitely, I'll be posting 3 marks, 4 mark worksheets based on this model paper and 4 marks, which will be useful for your final examination. And also to score good marks, I'll be posting application based question in my YouTube channel. Do subscribe the channel and also do join the WhatsApp channel and also Telegram. Thank you.